At Maayan Skill Development Center, we believe trainers should not only teach but also learn, build, and implement. Recently, our admin team was spending a lot of time updating builds. This process was manual and repetitive. Crop each build image one by one, convert each image into PDF individually, repeat the same steps multiple times. It was time consuming and reduced productivity. So as a trainers, we decided to solve it. The problem handling multiple builds images manually take efforts and patience. And when the number of images increases, the time required increases linearly. For a growing organization, efficiency matters. The solution: we developed a Python-based desktop application that allows selecting multiple images at once, cropping images easily using a visual selection tool, automatically converting cropped images into PDF format, and saving all files in the one go. This reduced processing time drastically and improved workflow efficiency for the admin team. Concept used in the application without going into code details. The application was built using Python programming, Tickender for building the graphical user interface, event handling for mouse clicks, drag and release actions, object-oriented programming, pillow for image processing, file handling, batch processing concept, and image scaling with coordinate mapping. This project shows how technology can solve real-time operational problems. The motto: a true trainer does not just teach concepts, a true trainer applies them to solve real problems. At Maayan, we encourage learning beyond theory, implementing ideas, building tools, and improving systems. When trainers innovate, team grow. When team grow, organizations scale. Proud to be a part of culture where learning never stops.